Yeah, so we had a wonderful one-to-one financial consultation session with Mr. Deepak. He's from Bangalore, but in UK since last more than 5 years from now, and he's into IT field. And it was wonderful knowing you, Deepak ji, in terms of personally as well as financially. So since last more than 2 hours, we are together discussing about your finances. So I just wanted to know your feedback, your takeaways, and what was your learning. And
It was amazing. Like I learned a lot many things, like pyramid way. So I was doing like earlier also, but the pyramid I was not knowing. So that is absolutely very good. And you explained me like all the steps, like where and how, what to do. So earlier it was having like some bit of difference in between, like some gap, but you fulfill that those gaps. So that is like absolutely like I would say like thanks for that. Thanks for your time, and you are doing very good job for like not for with me. Like there are many people you are helping it out. It's like you are doing, although you charge a bit of amount, that's like it's very nominal, but you are helping a lot to society. Thanks for that.
great, great, thank you. What is your one of the biggest takeaway out of this one-to-one meeting we had? Like, what the one thing will change your mindset from point A to point B?
So if you say that the way of explaining things, the like easiest way of explaining the things, like how you are explaining, like it's like any layman can understand that. So that's the big thing. If you are explaining that properly. So if you say like if you have lots of knowledge and you are not able to explain that it's not of use. Like that's why.
And the financial planning itself is a very complicated subject. I think people feel it's a very number of formulas and calculations will be there in
Yes,
place.
correct.
I will be confused, but I try to make it as simple as possible. Initially only I take all your inputs and I will use the inputs in the all possible way to get the best solution for you. So hope that has also worked for us.
Yeah.
So once again, yeah.
And best part is like you listen me carefully, patiently. Like I see that I earlier also met with some other financial advisor. Like whenever you ask any query, so half of the way is they will say, no, you don't need to do this. You go to that. I'm suggesting you don't do that. But you listen me properly, understood that problem, what I'm trying to understand, what I'm trying to say to you, what my problem is, and you give the answer correctly. So that is like best part, I would say.
Yeah, yeah. Because ultimately, it's our job to get into your shoes and understand what exactly you need.
Yes.
We have number of things to deliver, but exactly what suits you best, that only I come to know based on the inputs which I got from you. So your inputs are very valuable and very important for me in this particular point of time. So once again, thank you very much for your valuable time. I think we had a wonderful discussion, and I have taken note and down all your points. And I will try to get it monetized, and I will get back to you within a week or two. I think as we decided our next meeting, we will
Yeah.
finalize the plan and we will go ahead accordingly.
Yeah.
So
Thank you.
thank you
Thank you
very
so
much
much for your
once
time.
again. Yeah, and best wishes to you and your family. Best regards, and thank you
Yeah,
very
you
much.
too. Yeah. Bye bye.